Welcome to Muttonstyle's Stitch Fix number 3 in the UK. Here's my box. And I am going to open it immediately. I am going to go straight into seeing what's in it. And if you want to know how Stitch Fix works, I will have that at the end. Scissors, the ability to open wondrousness of box. This is a nice jacket. Warehouse. It is a size 10 and it is £65. Suedette, buckles, zips. Do you know what? I think the stylist knows me. I think she's been watching my Instagram and watching my YouTube and so on and knows what I wear. Nice grey, autumn grey. I just can't wait to try this on. The jacket fits me well. I'll do it up just to make sure it does fit me around the tummy, the middle-aged tummy, you know, the middle-aged spread. But yes, I think this will look great. It's looking great with white trousers. It will look good with denim and black. I wear black a lot in the winter. You know, I do. I like this jacket. This one is it's going to be a keep. It's going to be a keep. As long as it does up. Excited about this jacket. Grey trousers. These look wide leg and cropped. Sort of a plaid check design. These are actually too wide on me. And because they're cropped as well, they just make me look stumpy. This does not do anything for me, this shape. It's too wide. Cropped. Yeah. This is a skinny ribbed jumper and the brand is the skinny ribbed jumper in grey. The brand is, it's wool actually. Selected Femme is the brand. And it's wool, which might be a handy layering piece. This is the sweater, the ribbed sweater. I like the colour on me. I really like the colour. It's wool, so it's quite warm, snug. Think about this one, not sure. Green trousers. No, is it green trousers? Yes, it's green trousers. These are mango basics, and they are thicker than the green trousers that I already have. Definitely worth thinking about those, seeing if they fit, thinking about them, because there could be a possibility for the autumn for work and for casual going out and so on. These are the green trousers and they are a little bit wide around the waist here, and I am still trying to lose weight, so that's going to get wider. There aren't any belt hooks either actually, which is problematic, so there's no way I can actually tighten it with a belt. So that's going to irritate me because they're going to be falling down a bit. They're also long, which is not insurmountable. That would not be a showstopper because I could take them up. And they're a little bit thin. I'm not going to be wearing these in the winter. So, but really the showstopper is the lack of belt hooks and the the wideness of this weight. So, and also, I mean, actually, I think what she's done is picked a whole load of things will actually go quite well together, because this as an outfit, you've got two trousers, you've got a jacket and a sweater. This would all actually go very well together, swapping out the trousers. You know, you've got two outfits here basically. So the styling I think is excellent. Oh, it's mint velvet. So they've actually got mint velvet on board now. But not only that, look at this. Look at this. I can tell you straight away. This is a keep. This is a keep. It's a t-shirt, it's white, it's got leopard print and it's got stars on it. Anyway, yes, excitement, calm down. Right. That is £39 and it is mint velvet. This is a definite yes. Fits me perfectly. I think the neckline's flattering. I'll just show you that. Me and leopard print. I love actually the contrast of white and leopard together. I really do. So yeah, And Mint Velvet is a brand I know, I like the brand. So yeah, this one's staying in my life. This one is, along with the grey jacket, and they'll look good together, which is probably what the stylist was thinking. So there's the neckline, see what I mean? I actually think that neckline for my body shape is actually quite flattering. So I do like sort of a slash neck like this. So I'll put my necklace down again so as you can see. But you know, you could wear this easily, comfortably without a necklace as well. So yeah, this I'm keeping, no doubts about it whatsoever. So wrap up, definitely keeping the jacket, definitely keeping the t-shirt, and will enjoy wearing the two together. You will see these in lookbooks, guys, you will see these in lookbooks. I am not keeping either of the trousers. These ones just don't suit me. They're too wide-legged and too cropped. Combination's not a good look on someone who's 5'1". These ones haven't got a small enough waist for me, so I'm not keeping those either. And I have decided not to keep the jumper. Sweater, we say jumper, we say in the UK. I know in the States you say sweater, because I'm not a real fan of ribbed polo necks, not at my age. I just don't want something clingy and high-necked either. I've got one and I don't wear it all that often, and so if I do need to wear a rib neck just for a change, I've got one. I'd rather have, I like grey as a neutral layering piece, but I'd rather have something that gives me a bit more freedom of movement. Yeah, even in the winter when it's sort of, you know, chilly, I would just be conscious about the tightness of this. So that's not, you know, when I'm nearly 60, you know, not that age should really matter, but I think it does. So yeah, those I won't be keeping. Now, if you want to stay on to hear what the stylist said, because I have not opened the envelopes yet, stay on. And if you want to hear how Stitch Fix works, stay on. But if you're leaving me now, then do remember to subscribe, because I do these boxes quite regularly, and I also do other boxes as well and other things on my channel. So give me a subscribe now, and goodbye. If you're staying, let's see what's in the envelope and what my stylist says, and who my stylist is this time. My stylist is Heather again. That's the third time. Thank you, Heather. I think you're getting to know me. It's a shame, you know, about the trousers, but I like the colour picks. We also get in the pack a sort of outfit ideas and a little letter from the stylist. So my stylist says it's Heather, and she says, "Hi Anne-Marie, happy Stitch Fix Day. Thank you for your comments and feedback. As we're coming into autumn, I wanted to pull you some autumnal items," which you have done, thank you. "I wanted to go in a slightly different direction, as your Pinterest is showing some fun contemporary looks." Well, that's true. Yeah, I suppose it would do as I'm a blogger. "I decided to pull you two complete outfits," which is true too. It is. "For outfit number 1, I pulled you the editor's cut trousers, which are exclusive to Stitch Fix, paired with a selected Femme roll neck." So the editor's cut trousers would be these ones. That would be an outfit. So you've got the roll neck and you've got the cropped trousers as one outfit, and that would look nice together, very smart. Layer this with the warehouse biker jacket for some edginess, and yes, that would work. I know this is very monochromatic, and I'm fine with that. But you can pair this look with your colourful lip. I highly recommend a vampy red and match with bold shoes and a bag, which I can do. I could do that. That's absolutely fine, Heather, absolutely. For the next look, pair the mango cigarette trousers with the mint velvet tee and layered with a jacket, and that would work as well. That would look very nice. Now, how Stitch Fix works is that you actually pay a £10 styling fee. You can choose to have a box just randomly, just write Stitch Fix, you know, sign up to Stitch Fix and have a box, pay £10 styling fee, and they'll send you the box. You can say, I want just jeans, or I want some jackets, or I want some tops. Or you could sign up for a monthly box, or a 2 monthly box, as I do 2 monthly, or a quarterly, or just random. You pay your £10 styling fee, but when you get your box of 5 items, any single one item you keep, the £10 comes off that. So as long as you keep one thing, you don't lose your styling fee. And if you buy all of them, you get a discount, I think 20%, that's right. If you keep them all, you get a 20% discount. I've never kept everything, so I've never got my 20% discount. What I enjoy about Stitch Fix is that buying things in your own home is one thing, but you are trying things that you wouldn't necessarily pick in a shop yourself. Anyway, that's basically how it works. I am now going to have to pack up 3 items and send them back. But if they had been a different shape and style, I like the colours, great. Got no problems with that whatsoever, just they didn't really work on my body shape. And my age in life with the skinny. But other than that, the colours I liked, and I could see how the styling would work. So thank you, Heather. Thank you for watching. And if you want to sign up for Stitch Fix, you can use my link down below, and that will give you a discount on your first box as well of, what's it, £15, a £15 discount. I also get £15, which is very nice for me as well, thank you, and keeps me in clothes. But yes, so you will get a £15 off your box if you use my link down below. If you don't know how it works as well, I'll give you this information. You actually get in the box, you get a pre-stamped and labelled envelope to send it back in, and just pop it to the post office, which is the instructions that come in mine. So I'm just going to shove it in the envelope, no paperwork, check out online on the app, the money's taken out of my credit card straight away, pop this along to post office tomorrow, and it's gone.